hills where the Fianna stood, Oisín the warrior met Niamh of the wood. Her hair like gold, her eyes like the sea. She promised a land where they'd always be free. Come with me, Oisín, to Tirnog, where time stands still and hearts belong. He crossed the sea with Niamh at his side, to a land where joy and peace abide, where laughter rose without a care, and peace had settled everywhere. Years turned to centuries, yet they never changed. In Tirnog, their love remained. But Oisín, his heart began to yearn for the land of his birth, his soul's return. Return if you must, Niamh gently cried, but don't touch the earth of your mortal life. If your feet touch the ground you once knew, the centuries will claim you and I lose you too. Away back to Ireland, Oisín rode alone, but Ireland lay crushed, cold and unknown. The Fianna long gone, their strongholds o'ergrown. His people all vanished, he was all alone. He called out a greeting, but no voice replied. The kingdom of Fianna was now lost to time. In a moment of sorrow he fell to the ground, and the spell of Tirnog became unwound. Oisín grew old, his youth slipped away. He called out for Niamh as his body gave way. With no hands to hold him, no words to say, he crumbled to dust and faded away. Now this tale lives on in hearts that believe of Oisín and Niamh and the love they conceived. Though time may fade and the world may turn, the magic of Tirnog forever will